Top 10 Best Quotes from Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Money's greatest intrinsic value, and this can't be overstated, is its ability to give you control over your time. Spending money to show people how much money you have is the fastest way to have less money. Controlling your time is the highest dividend money pays. Napoleon's definition of a military genius was the man who can do the average thing when all those around him are going crazy. Independence to me doesn't mean you'll stop working. It means you only do the work you like with people you like at the times you want for as long as you want. Growth is driven by compounding, which always takes time. Destruction is driven by single points of failure, which can happen in seconds, and loss of confidence, which can happen in an instant. Using your money to buy time and options has a lifestyle benefit few luxury goods can compete with. Doing well with money has a little to do with how smart you are and a lot to do with how you behave. Luck and risk are siblings. They are both the reality that every outcome in life is guided by forces other than individual efforts. When things are going extremely well, realize it's not as good as you think. You are not invincible. And if you acknowledge that luck brought you success, then you have to believe in luck's cousin, risk, which can turn your story around just as quickly.